It's a beautiful, beautiful place. I recommend if you're in Northern Territory to come down. It's only about an hour away from Darwin. And this dog, hello. You scared me big time, man. Come here. Hello. Good doggy. Where are you from, mate? Where are you from, mate? Did you escape? Did you escape? Hey, where'd you come from? I gotta go. See ya. See you later. Oh, you're a mad dog. You must just roam around here all day, hey? Who's that? Who's that? Not gonna lie, I don't know if you saw it on camera, but that really scared me. Here he comes, here he comes. Whoa, 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 whoa. So there you have it. Adelaide River War Cemetery. A place where a whole lot of heroes are buried. Legends. Thankful for your service. Now let's hit the road. Continue my trip to Catherine. See what other hidden gems I come across along the way. Does it smell good? I gotta go, puppy. See you later. See you later. See you, puppy. See you. See you. Good boy. I think you're a boy. Catch you later. All right. Get out of here. See ya.